Are you tired of this happening to you? There has to be a better way!
Hello fellow gamers, my name is Rajiv Kapoor and our new product Wild Animal Royale is revolutionary in the Battle Royale genre. We here at Wild Animal Games have innovated in the racing and sports genre, and our new product in the Wild Animal series seeks to tackle the Battle Royale genre. We even asked TSM Myth and Ninja.
Oh my god, it's TSM Myth and Ninja. TSM Myth, what do you think of Wild Animal Royale?
Now this is epic.
I think it's better than Fortnite.
Awesome.
And I know all of you are dying to see the game, so here it is.
I'm going to secure the dub, Shawnito.
That's what you may think, but guess what, Michael 1029? I'm gonna secure the dub.
Number 1, Victory Royale.
So, statistics show that if you do not buy Wild Animal Royale, then you will be very insecure, and then you won't go out in public, and you won't get food, and you will starve to death.
Oh, I don't feel so good. Attention, all Wild Animal Royale gamers. Ginger the Giraffe is in great danger, and he needs your help to defeat King Croc and save the rest of the wild animals. He's got to get your credit card information, the 3 numbers on the back, the expiration month and year. But you have to hurry before King Croc succeeds and destroys all of Wild Animal Island.
Sorry gamers, that is all we have today. But one day this game does come out, I hope you buy it. And as always, namaste.